All right. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. I just published the Pivot Boss Enhanced with Risk Management Indicator, and you can save it on Bitcoin right now. You can use it with Heikin-Ashi, regular candles. Yeah, it's kind of a cool tool. Basically, it enables you to customize the trigger length, which is where it exits, and then you can use the different EMAs to catch different trends, and you can use the higher time frame to suit your, kind of scalping or what you want to do. So basically, we'll give you, it's not going to win every time, but there are some metrics to help you maximize the settings. It's not perfect, but because you're working with Heikin-Ashi, so you can see this cell would have lost, this cell would have lost, but these would have won, this would have won, probably a couple losses here, and then a big win here, and then a loss. So, but I have it on a short time frame on a 1 minute chart with a 5 minute setting, so you'll need to modify it to suit, what your trading acumen is. So anyway, I hope it works out for you, and give me feedback in the channel. Anyway, good luck, and I'll finish the Renko one and get that published later on this week. Take care.